Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I'm here with an update for AnimeAPI, as it is now added also on RapidAPI.com, and it will have a similar pricing structure to Newsematic. So if you are familiar with Newsematic, you will know that you will find it also on RapidAPI.com. And if you purchase Newsematic plugin on CodeCanyon, you will be granted a purchase code for it, and using that purchase code you can generate an API key with basic usage for the API. So similar you will be able to do also for AnimeAPI, because if you purchase Ultimate Anime Scraper plugin and enter your purchase code here on animeapi.org/register, you will be able to generate your API key for animeapi.org, and this will grant you a basic usage of 50 API calls per day. If you want more, you can check AnimeAPI on RapidAPI, because you will have plans for 100, 250, 500 and 1000 API calls per day, and you will be able to even contact me and I will be able to create custom plans for you. So this is AnimeAPI on RapidAPI. I will link also this and the Ultimate Anime Scraper plugin in the video description. But now let me show you guys some examples. So this is a previous request I made. So let me show you, for example, for Naruto, if we test the endpoint, Naruto movie, and some Rock Lee and Naruto the Last Story. So here are animes with the query we made. Also here are the episodes, full episode listings with embeddable iframe embeddable content. And if we check, here are, these are movies because there are only one episodes for these movies. But if you find an anime with full episode list, then you will see here more episode listed. Okay, but now don't enter in details here. This is just what I wanted to share with you. So you will be able to access also AnimeAPI on RapidAPI and use it with extended usage count in the Ultimate Anime Scraper plugin, or even build your custom solution for it. So this is all for today. I will link everything in the details of this video. You will find animeapi.org also in the description. Until next time, subscribe to this channel, it's really appreciated. Hit the like button. Have a nice day. Bye bye.